Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial how to make a epic fire logo reveal intro in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to make a new project, name it gaming intro, then click OK. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So after that, import your clip and background. You can download this clip and background, link in description. So this is the background, drag and drop to the timeline, and next also drag and drop the fire clip to the timeline. So guys, make sure to watch full video and don't skip the video. So now you see just the fire clip and you don't see the background. Select the fire clip and go to edit control and set the blending mode to screen. There you go. Now you can see the fire clip and background together. And next you have to import your logo to the Premiere Pro and also drag and drop your logo to the timeline, and then scale your logo to the frame size and make the length little bigger. And next go to the edit control and make the blending mode to linear dodge. And next follow my steps and set your correct keyframes. Make sure to watch the full video, follow my steps.
Just break my just break my Just break my
So there you go, it's ready to go to the sequence and render in and out. Okay guys, this is our final touch. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.